Okay, so in order of operations, or bed mass, there's this thing that's a common problem. I like to call it hopping. Now what hopping is sometimes we ignore these rules, this order, and we choose to hop along questions. So what that means is if you have like brackets and some other stuff. And
I did the brackets first though. Doesn't that count?
Actually, you didn't.
I didn't?
It seems like you did. You did some of the brackets first, but not all of them, because sometimes we have multiple terms. But hopping is going from left to right and ignoring all the stuff in between. So if this were actually a division sign, you're supposed to do this, these two terms first, before you do this one.
Because of
Because division comes before addition.
That's why.
Yeah, but like we talked about last week, these two are kind of interchangeable. And these two are kind of interchangeable. Well, they're not kind of, they are interchangeable, as long as you're working from left to right. However, if you're going between division and addition, it's not interchangeable.
Right.
So, hopping looks like this. I want to do this, and then I want to do this. Then I add to that, and then this, and then this. You're hopping. But unfortunately it doesn't work that way. Unfortunately, you always have to follow these rules in this order every single time. So,
right.
I'll give you an example of one done improperly, and then we'll erase and go back and take a look at how it should have been done. And you know square brackets?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good.
Very good.
Yeah, that'll be good. Okay, so let's look at it done improperly. 2 plus 11 times 2. Okay, so 11 times 2 is 22. 22 plus 2 is 24. 24 minus 10 is 14. 14 plus 2, 16 minus 3, 13. So I've worked all the way up to here now. 13 times 3, here being like a line. 13 times 3 is 39. So our answer should be 39. If I were to hop from here to here, to here, to here, to here, to here.
But it's 3 times first.
3 times first. So the answer we got here is 39. Let's keep that, just to compare notes. See if hopping actually makes a difference. Okay, let's see. So, if we're going to do it properly, what do we do first?
3 times... the bracket one?
Everything 11. Inside the, like you said, brackets
11
first.
11 times
Very
2?
Good. Yeah, let's do that one first. Okay, so 11 times 2 is 22.
10 times 3.
Times 3?
Oh.
This is way over here. Can't even deal with this one yet. Now, I know you're eager because you know that we got to do this times before we do this minus, which is good. It's good that we've talked about that. But first, let's do everything inside this bracket.
Okay.
So we have 2 plus 22. And that works out to 24.
Right.
Now, something I like to do when I have multiple terms in brackets is I solve everything in the brackets first, and then I look at what I have left. So then I bring down this minus sign. Okay, now, I'll put an arrow there so we know what to bring down. Everything inside this bracket. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 3, 9. Okay, then I bring down this times.
Oh, now I see. Which
Okay.
makes it very different.
This is what we had before. Let's put it in a box. Now, we have 24 minus 9 times 3.
So you do 24 minus 9 first. No. 9 times 3.
Yes, 9 times 3 first. But isn't that nice? Much, much nicer to look at?
Yes.
instead of having to deal with all that stuff here. 24 minus 9 times 3. 9 times 3? 27. 24 minus 27 is going to work out to be negative 3. So this is the correct answer?
So it's quite different.
That was the wrong answer. Yeah, not only are the numbers different, there's a different sign. It's a negative number, not a positive number. That got a little messy down there.